Welcome to HelloBar. It's Albert here, and for this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to sync your HelloBar contacts to GetResponse, and also show you how to automate email responders to your leads. To get started, we will create a contact list to sync to HelloBar in GetResponse. So in GetResponse admin dashboard, we'll navigate under Contacts, and let's create a new list by clicking the Create List button. Let's name our list HelloBar List. Hit Create, and our list is created. So our next step is to create the automation to send autoresponder email to our new pop-up lead. To do that, navigate back to our home page in GetResponse and select Create Autoresponder. For the options, let's select the By Myself for now. Let's put a name to our autoresponder. Let's put in HelloBar Autoresponder. And for the linked list, we will select the HelloBar list that we created. So let's just refresh this. Okay, so we need to refresh it. So let's put our name, the autoresponder name again. And then the HelloBar list. Okay, as you can see, you can assign a delay time for the autoresponder email to be sent right after the pop-up sign up. So if you want to make it instantaneous, you can leave it to 0, or you can select a specific delay time. So let's just leave it as it is for now. Okay, we have here the email sender and reply to. And next is we will create our email. For our subject line, let's just put a simple welcome to our to HelloBar. Okay, so let's create our email by clicking the design message. So we have our list of pre-made template. So just select one from the list. Choose this one, the first one. So we're gonna create a simple welcome email. For this example, let's just put in thank you for signing up to our mailing list. Okay, so we're not gonna go into details in updating or customizing this email. So you can definitely create your custom welcome email to send to your new leads. So for this one, let's just hit next. Okay, so we'll hit save. Alright, and then you will publish this autoresponder email. So alright, so this should be all set on the GetResponder side of things. Next thing we're gonna do is head on to HelloBar to create our integration. So we're gonna set up our integration between HelloBar and GetResponse here in the HelloBar dashboard. Let's do that by navigating under Contacts and creating a new contact list. Let's name it GetResponse Integration. Click the Show All Tools and let's select GetResponse. And it's asking for the API key. We're gonna get this in GetResponse admin. So heading back in GetResponse, let's get the API key under Tools, Integrations and API. Go to API and we will generate an API key. Let's name our API key HelloBar and hit generate. Okay, so let's copy our API key and navigate back in HelloBar. Okay, so let's go ahead and paste the API key and then hit connect. Alright, for the list ID, we will select the hello bar list that we created in GetResponse. So here it is. And then hit save. Okay, so that should be all set. We can now assign our new GetResponse integrated contact list to a pop-up. Let's do that by clicking the create new pop-up button. We will select the grow email list. Let's select a layout. For this one, let's just select pop-up modal. And let's leave the design as the default for now and navigate under conversion. Under after hello bar collects an email address, where should we send it? We will select the GetResponse integrated contact list that we created. And finally, we will publish the pop-up. Okay, so that concludes our tutorial on how to sync your hello bar contacts to GetResponse and also create a workflow that will automate email responder. Try HelloBar now and convert more than 83% of your site visitors into leads, subscribers, and buyers. Thank you for watching.